Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 9th of February. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com and is published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, where we've been seeing a bit of a rally here. We've given a little bit of it back. We've got a potential nice-looking falling channel here, although that trend line keeps moving, which is really annoying. So hang on about a moment. Although it's just when you get a little too close to the side, it starts drifting a bit. All right, that's looking pretty good, and I'm thinking we may well be rallying back towards channel resistance. We don't have any negative divergence, and I'm thinking that we may well still see a retest of the low before we see that happen. So we've got on the hourly chart, we had an RSI 14 buy signal fix that's now reached the possible near miss target. We have nice little rally here, and if we can retest the low here, we can set up a very nice looking little level bottom that would have a target kind of about the 83K area, and we could get some daily positive divergence, which could deliver a very nice rally. In terms of where we are here, we've got a nice looking little level top here that could give us a retracement and possibly give us a retest to low. Otherwise, if we're forming a bear flag that will go higher, we can see a bit of a pullback here and a move up from there, and then the retest to the low. Looking at Solana, on the weekly chart, the RSI 14 sell signal has now reached target. We have just remembering this possible overall falling wedge here. I'm not expecting this to be the overall pattern here, but it was just something I was playing around with that was interesting. On the daily chart, if we were to see a retest of the low, we could set up some nice daily positive divergence. But equally, if we do an ABC, flag go up a bit higher. Actually, in terms of where we might go there, I'm actually thinking more probably in terms of the 110 area under this declining resistance trend line. If we're going to set up if we're going to have a decent rally, and I think there's a good chance of having a decent rally here, then we could flag, come down, and then go up. We shall see. All right, in terms of the short term, this all looks like a bull flag forming from, you can see the slightly lower low, the slightly lower high. This all looks like a flag wedge forming from this high here at 89.76. This should deliver at least a retest of 79.76. That could then deliver a bit more down, and then, but what I'm thinking is overall we're probably doing an ABC. In terms of a flag, and then in due course we will then come back and retest this low, possibly after we've got a retest the low and got a buy signal, but possibly retesting it twice. Bigger picture, is the bear market over? Do you know how many bear markets on crypto have finished after 3 months from the Bitcoin high? None. They all last about a year. All right, so no. Not really seeing much of a case for that having finished yet. In terms of Ethereum, again, if we retest the low, we could set up some very nice daily buy signals. And on the hourly chart, RSI 14 buy signal has reached target. And this looks like possibly a little bull flag forming. We've got a nice looking little level top here too. So it's only Solana where we didn't actually manage to get back and retest that high. All right, great. In that case, there are no questions, so I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. All right, cheers.